Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to set up monetize using Google AdMob. First step, please open your Andromo. Then select on the completed project of your choice. Next step, click on the monetization menu at the top. You can see, on the left there are various provider options to monetize. For this tutorial, I will show you how to monetize using Google AdMob. For that, please click on the AdMob menu. These are the items we need to complete. AdMob banner, interstitial unit, privacy URL. Now open the official AdMob website. Click on Sign in to continue. If you have not registered yet, please click the Sign Up button to register for free. Please click on the App menu on the left. And then click on the Add App link. For this answer option, please select No. Next step, enter your app name. Choose the right platform, Android. Then click on the Add button. This is your app ID. Please copy this ID. You can click on this copy icon. Then please paste it in this AdMob app ID field. Now we will create a banner ad ID. To continue, click on the Create Ad Unit button. This time, click on the banner option. Type the name of the app banner. When done, click on the Create Ad Unit button below. This is the unit ID for the banner created. Copy this unit ID. Then open the Andromo. The next step is to enter the unit ID in the required field. Next we will create another ad unit. Click on Interstitial Options. Type ad unit name for interstitial here. When done, click on Remove Create Ad Unit. Copy this ad unit that has been created. Then return to the Andromo web. Click on the check button in the AdMob interstitial ad section. Paste ad unit ID earlier into the space provided. Last step, enter the AdMob privacy URL into the required field. If you do not have this URL, please create a new policy using Google site or a new blog. Don't forget to press the Save Changes button. You can also click on the Ad Settings menu on the left. This time between interstitial you can change according to your own needs. In addition, it is better to click on this Required Several Interaction option. Again, click on the Save Changes button. This process is now complete. You can rebuild a new APK. Click on the Build Your App button. Congratulations on completing the monetization process. Please test this app into your smartphone before publishing to Play Store.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Like, comment, and share. See you next time.